Welcome. If you're getting tired of your phone buzzing every time Snapchat reminds you about memories, you're definitely not alone. Those vibration alerts can get distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or just enjoy some quiet time. The good news is you can easily turn that off in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app controls live, so once you're there, scroll down until you find the apps section and tap on it. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Look for Snapchat and tap on it to open its settings. Once you're inside the Snapchat app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize how Snapchat alerts you. Now, look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on that. This section breaks down all the different types of notifications Snapchat sends, so you can control each one individually. Scroll through the list until you find Memories. Go ahead and tap on it. Here's the key step. You'll see a toggle for Vibrate. Simply switch that off. That's it.